Hello everyone, my name is Misha and welcome to Made Up Me Search. Today we're going to be doing a fun thing. I'm going to show you my fastest base. Like I have a Zoom call in 5 minutes and I want to be ready type of base. Or we're going shopping or something like that. Well, I don't really care what I look like, but I'm pretty sure I don't want to look like this. So I'm going to start a timer on my phone because I can very confidently say this is not going to take me longer than 5 minutes. And I'm going to walk you through it. The only thing I have here are the 6 products I'm going to be using. All the brushes I have are in their cases and stands and stuff, so I'm gonna be ravaging for my brush as I go. So sorry for any extra noise. So there we go, 5 minutes on the timer. Let's go. So first things first, we already probably have some skincare on, so we're not gonna worry about prepping our face. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Maybelline SuperStay concealer, because honestly, concealer is all you really need for your for your face. You don't need a lot more. No, just a little bit of that. Grab a brush. Where are you? Brush. There we go. Any old brush. And if you conceal out the center of your face, you're gonna look very put together and you don't even have to put anything else on the other parts of your face. So, there we go. Yeah, give it a little blend. Now, I do want to set this. So, our second product is a powder. I'm using the super well-known Rimmel, the basic powder everyone likes. I'm just gonna set my under eyes. And then I'm gonna grab a powder brush and just kind of go over my whole face. Now, because we didn't really use the concealer on all of the face, it's gonna be very easy to not use any blush or bronzer because our skin features are kind of still there because you haven't canceled them out with any makeup. So yeah, that's a life hack for you. There we go. Next, eyebrow mascara, absolute must. I don't have any eyebrows, so this is what I usually do. Just gonna go through them once or twice and make sure that the shape is as good as it can be at the moment, which is usually not very good, but you know, it'll do. Damn, what is that? I really gotta do my brows. They're horrible right now. Next, mascara. Super easy. I'm just using a one that I know is reliable. May not work the best, but it's not gonna look like overdone. Sometimes if I don't have any eye makeup and I have a lot of mascara, I feel a little stupid. So this is kind of my go-to, you know, just everyday, very easy mascara. And yeah, nobody has time for eye makeup. Screw that. Now, there we go. Mascara done. Now, the one thing I want to use is Essence Make Me Glow Highlighter. This is a great thing. It's very subtle. I'm just going to use a brush and I'm going to quickly highlight some points of my face that I feel like could use a little bit of extra attention. And last but not least, I'm going to use the Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil. And we're done. Oh, I couldn't show you, but it was 3 minutes. It was just 3 minutes. We still have 2 minutes left. So this is actually a 30-minute makeup tutorial. That's even better. So that's literally all I would do. And I feel like this does everything for my face. As I said, you're already prepped, you don't have to prep. You use the concealer to hide anything you don't want to be seen. So I usually just do my under eyes in the center of my face, because then I just make the illusion of the face appearing very even. Powder it down. This powder is actually translucent, but I cannot help but feel that there's a little bit of color in it. I don't know. However, this works really, really well. Eyebrow mascara, must for me, maybe not for you if you have very good brows, so you might actually skip this step. Mascara for my lashes is a must, because again, blunt lashes, non-existing lashes, we need that. I can do my eyeliner really fast, so I could do that too, but not right now. And last but not least, like a really simple, neutral lip product. I like shiny because I just feel like it makes my lips look a lot better, and it goes a lot better with this kind of look. So yeah, this is like my favorite product right now for that. And that is actually it. This is gonna be the shortest video on this channel. Yeah, this is a 3-minute makeup for wherever you gotta go. And I would absolutely go like that anywhere. And I do very often, actually. Yeah, the highlighter is also very optional. I just like to add something, to make my face a little bit more like pop. Why do I feel like my nose is brown? Maybe there was something on that highlighter brush. Anyway, that's it. That's my 3-minute makeup. So next time you need to go everywhere, you need like 6 products tops and you're good to go. This is perfectly acceptable for everyone, I think. Also, you don't have to wear any makeup, but you already know that. That's not why I searched a video for this. So yeah, like this video and subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you on the next one. See ya!